How to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to step by step provide you with a tutorial in order to use the zoom in and out effect on our CapCut. So let's just get started with the video. So you may start by opening up the CapCut PC. Go over and go ahead and open up CapCut on your PC this way. Now, once you've opened it up, you can select up a video. You can go for create project and select up a video and then import a video. You can import a video from your device, for example, something like this. After that, click on open and add the video on your timeline. Now, once you've done that, in order to go ahead and, add the zoom in and zoom out. So first of all, you can drag it into your timeline this way. And once you've dragged it, I'm just going to use short clip for now. So I'm just going to chop it for now and delete the rest of the part. So let's say I would like to add in the zoom in and zoom out effect in this particular video. So for that, what we can do is we can just go over, and one of the methods is using split. You can split it out like this. And once you've split it, you can select the split part and basically go ahead and add up effect. Usually on mobile device, you should be able to add effects. You can just go over and directly add it, or look out for the animation option in the top and basically look out for zoom in and out option here. So we have zoom, so in and out. So find zoom in first. You can look out for this option called zoom out. You can select it. And when you do, you can see the effect being applied. You can just go and play the video from the start. And when you go ahead and play it from the start, you should be finding the changes being applied instantly. You can just go over and look out for the duration as well and go ahead and change it accordingly. Similarly, you can look out for out option as well, and there also you can look out for the option called zoom in or out, and you can select that option right there and use that filter. Or if not, this what we can do instead is we can use keyframe. So for that, you can select the video that you would like to have the keyframe for. And for example, I would like to zoom out or zoom in from the section. So go to the first point and just go and select this option called scale, and right beside it, you can find a keyframe option called add keyframe. You can click on it and the keyframe is now added. Now, once you've added it, you can just go over and play the video and you can zoom out the video. So for example, I would like to make this video a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna zoom it out this way and the keyframe is added. Now again, if you want to go ahead and add zoom in, you can again go over, add another keyframe, and within that keyframe, you can just go over and make the changes to the video. You can just go over and make it small or large. Let's make it small like this and make it the keyframe. After that, you can just go over and watch the video. And when you do, you can easily find the changes being applied, the zoom out, and then the zoom in feature is again being applied in your video. So keyframe is one of the effects you can easily use in order to apply up the zoom out or zoom in feature on your CapCut video. So you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.